Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Naija News and Entertainment. Ultimate love update: Bolanle pens emotional note to Arnold as she celebrates his birthday today. Bolanle and Arnold love story so far has really been remarkable as no one gave them a chance after all their quarrels and fights while trying to nurture their relationship back in Auntie's love part. It is worthy to note that these lovebirds met at the recently concluded reality TV show called Ultimate Love, where they first met as strangers before graduating to be more than friends. Arnold and Bolanle were nicknamed Bola, and since the end of the show, they have stayed true to themselves, to the admiration of fans and well-wishers who can't wait for Arnold to pop the big question. However, Henry Arnold is celebrating his birthday today, and his partner Bolanle Oluchi Babalola took to her official micro-blogging platform via Instagram to share a stunning photo of herself and Arnold along with an emotional note which has captivated everyone. In the letter Bolanle shared, she thanked God for making her paths cross with Arnold and also appreciated Ultimate Love for giving them the platform to grow and find love. She reassured Arnold that their memories are saved in her heart and wished him the best life has to offer. In the note she shared, she wrote, "Happy birthday Henry Arnold Olatunde. My heart lives in thanksgiving daily for the platform that brought us together. The smiles, joy, laughter, tears, lessons, knowledge and memories shared are etched in my heart. My dearest, I wish you the best of life in love, joy, peace, wealth, help of men and nation, favor and grace to grow in God's love daily. Have a fabulous birthday celebration." Okay, reacting to the love epistle and beautiful photos, fans immediately took to a comment section to join in the celebration as they also wished Arnold well and prayed their love stand the test of time. Reacting to the note, Ike of Ike Risa couple also sent Arnold a birthday wish along with a beating and other Ultimate Love guests. Okay, happy birthday Henry Arnold. Let's all join in celebrating our Ultimate Love star. If you're a true Bola fan, leave a comment in the section below. And if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop.